want to talk to you a little bit about the picture we're seeing now is Jason Chen, when police saw him for the first time face to face. This is at his parents' home in Nolensville, and they talked a lot about his demeanor when they went there. And I'll just read you a little bit of the testimony. The DA asked the CPD investigator, "Can you describe for the jury what Mr. Chen's demeanor was?" Crawford says, "More defensive." And the DA said, "Would you describe him as calm?" And Crawford says, "Yes." And then Jason Chen made the statement to police, "Have you spoken to my attorney yet?" And then they're asking him, telling him they're going to take him to the police station. And another thing that they bring into evidence here, which we've heard in hearings, are some of the notes that they found at his parents' home, handwritten notes that he wrote, the prosecution says, and were written and found in his bedroom, detailing when the last time he saw Jasmine was, and saying that she had a long history of running away. So as they question the police about Jason Chen's demeanor when they found him, what do you think they're trying to show the jury there?
Well, all right. So you have two competing. You have a jury that is going to be shown two different sides of this individual, one by the defense, one by the state. The state is trying to show that he's a very calm, calculating, detailed kind of person, the kind of person that wouldn't just emotionally fly off a handle and commit a murder, but that would plan it, would be careful in what he does, careful in what he says afterward. And it's kind of painting this picture of him as a more of a calm, his actions are determined, because they're going to really be focusing on that premeditation. This is the kind of guy that he doesn't do anything spontaneously. Obviously, the defense is going to come the other way. He's emotional and he's reactive to a situation, because that's what they have to sell. They have to sell the fact that he reacted to a threat to himself, and he reacted in an appropriate way, but it was a reaction to a threat because he's emotional and he couldn't regulate his feelings. So we're by including some of that evidence by the state that it's putting in, it's showing more of a methodical plan on his part. Now, maybe the plan was for the disposal of the body and to hide his involvement, but it's also showing somebody that is planning and careful and calculated in what he does. And that plays into the theme that he was calculating and careful in what he did prior to his death too, prior to her death as well. And I think that will be a point made well by the state.